Alrighty, Tom, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give description of this combination. It's got a set of our As-Cast heads on it. Got some hydraulic rollers. We got the rear sump wall fan. Got the all polished Borla. Beautiful setup. Got the March kit up front. Make sure the alternator charges. Fuel management, Holley. We'll go in there and make a run. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,200, 483 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 514, peak horsepower 521, rated at 500. It's got a front end on it, so that really runs good. That's between the Borla and the new cylinder head. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find a single entire credit card. It's a USB card, full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, tech stuff. I recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have the engine number, some other specifications. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look anything up for you. If you need us, flip it over, QR code, hover over that, take you to our site, and much other technical stuff. So highly recommend watch all this stuff. It'll make your installation a lot easier. Have a great day.